Hey guys, ever wanted to make something quick, easy and tasty? Well, this one's for you. Okay guys, so let's get right into the recipe.
Add 500 grams or a pound of boneless chicken to a bowl. Sprinkle a little bit of salt, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida, 3 tablespoons of corn flour, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon soya sauce and an egg. Now mix it all together and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. Now to deep fry the chicken, heat oil in a deep frying pan and slowly start adding the chicken. Once it becomes golden brown, set the chicken aside onto a piece of tissue paper to absorb the excess oil. In another pan, add 1.5 tablespoon of oil and heat it. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic. If you like the taste, you can also add 1 teaspoon of ginger and 3 green chilies. After the garlic is cooked, add 2 medium-sized onions diced into the pan. After cooking for 3 to 4 minutes, add the capsicum or red chilies along with the chicken. Now add 2 tablespoons soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup, half teaspoon chili powder and 1 teaspoon vinegar to the pan. Now the chili chicken is ready. Thanks for watching guys. If you like the video, please do like the video, and if you really like the video, please subscribe. So yeah, thanks for watching.